Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we will continue our discussion regarding HTML. And as we remember, we talk about regarding image. Okay, so we will continue, and as we discussed already, heading, different formatting, text formatting, and also we talk about list, and we talk about image. So this time we will talk about tables. In this video you will learn what are the elements that we are going to use to create tables, and what is the importance of tables. Okay, so let us start. Okay, so HTML table. What is HTML table? HTML table allows web developers to arrange data into what? Into rows and columns. So this is the same as our table that we have in Excel. If we create a data, so we will do tables. So this is a normal table. How to implement tables? What are the element that we are going to use to create table, HTML table? So the element that we are going to use is, of course, a semantic name table, like this. Okay, table, like that. So in that way we have already we define the HTML table. So of course, in our table, in normal table, there is a column and there is also a row. So as not only of that, there is also a head, or a table heading, or the table header, header. So that's a part of the table. So okay, let's create a table. So there is called the table header. So when we create a table, of course, the table header first. Okay, so table header is defined in the element like this, th. So that's how simple it is. So th. So for example, what are the samples? So let's create a sample like first name. Sorry. Okay, let's create here. So first name, of course, first name, and th. We'll create another one like four rows, or 4 column. So let's add 3. So last name, no, not the last name. We will make it name only, name, and then like a position, like that. Okay, and then the country. Okay, and the number. Okay, that's simple. That's our header. So let's see, save it. So now that's how it looks like. Okay, so let's add another one. So as we know that there is a rows and columns, so this table header we will put in a rows. Put in a rows. Okay, so rows can be defined as tr also, tr, like that. So we'll put it here, copy and paste, and we'll move it one piece and save it. So this header, or table header, are in one row. Okay, so later on we will arrange that one. So another one, so the data the data that we are going to put in: the name, the position, the country, and also the number. So how to do? So since it is also a row, so we will use the element tr also. So tr, okay, so tr, and we will at this time data can be defined in td, or table data, or in a cell, or cell, table cell. So typically this is called table data, okay, and it's defined with a td element tag. Okay, so td tag, or the td element. Okay, so let's create td. Okay, so what will be the name? So like this one, I will create that one, and we'll create another one, td, and we'll use the image. So I'll add 3. Okay, so what is the name? So the position, so what is his position? Like for example, that's supervisor. Okay, and his what is this, country? So like we put it Philippines. Okay, and the number is, okay, that's a number, and save it. Okay, that's the data. Okay, so let's create another one, td times 4. Okay, that's how to use emit. So another one, name is only, put it like manager, like the country is like this one, and their number is sample like this one. Okay, so that is saved. And another one is we will create tr, under tr is td, and we will make it for data. Okay, so like for example, Emerson. Okay, let's set it up, and here we will put engineer. Okay, and the country is UAA, and the other, his number is like this one. Okay, and then save. Oops, what happened? Wrong. This is td. I made wrong. td, and td. So save. Okay, that's the data. That's the table. That is the basic table in HTML. So as you look at it, it's quite boring. And now to make alive, so we will use, at this time we will use style. So we call it style, inline style. So to make it beautiful, let's create a style. Okay, so how you create the style? I will introduce to you how to create the style. Though this is fully HTML, but at this time I want to make it beautiful. This time we will create a style. So in the near future, you can learn also. We will in the near future, I will also make a video regarding CSS. So this time you have, at least right now, you have a background how to style. So it's the same inline, or the external use of the CSS. So at this time it's called uh, internal CSS or internal style. So how to make a style? We use the element style element. So simple as that, style. Usually if you, in a website, style sheet or CSS was placed on the header area. I forgot to make an horizontal. Let us put it horizontal, or I will make this BR first and HR, and another one is BR to make it horizontal line. Okay, and we will also make an H3 for tables. Okay, so now we have a tables. So here the style sheet, so I will make it to you, and later on I will explain. Do I like this one? Or okay. So this is the table that we created, or this one. Okay, padding, save. So this is it, and the table, the family. This is the font family, and the border collapse, and the width is 75%. It means that if this is 100, if your browser is 100%, this is 100% from here to here. So this is 75%. So if you are going to resize your browser or make it wider, so it will always 75% like this. So it always 75%. Okay, so that's it. So text align will be left, and the padding is 8 pixel. Okay. Okay, so let's also create color. Of course, the color of this title, this one. So I will make it okay, th. So we will make it color, like color. We'll make it coral. I like coral. Save. So that's the color of our header, and we will make it also. We will put a bold, not a bold, but we will put a border like 1 pixel, and it is solid, and call it black, and save it. So now how it look like. So this is, since this is a header, that's why we select here as header. And the other one, this data, if you want to put a border here and border each data, so no problem, we can do it in CSS. So that is table data. See, here is table data, td. Okay, so no problem with that. Okay, so we will td and curly bracket under that, so we will define the border, which is one pixel, and solid, and like what color that we like, blue, so we'll put blue color. So let's see. So this is the text, the border, I mean. So that's it. So that's how you make a border and some like tables. Okay, and if you want to make a zebra, like a zebra table, so you can do it like tr, which is that is the row, table row, and the end child, and we will put even. So even. Just watch and see what how it look like. So background color will be like with this other one. Okay, this one. Let us save. So here it looks. That's how it look like. So zebra. This is called zebra type. Or you can change the color, or you can change the sit up. It's not in the second line, or if you want to put it in the, if you want to start in the first line like this one, you have to change this into add. Okay, so that's super easy it is. I added one attribute of the th of our table heading, because if the scenario is if the number, or this number have need 2 column, or if they have 2 number or 2 data, so you have to make it another column in one heading. So column span are being used like this. So this is the attributes. If you add 3, it's okay. So that's how it look like. Okay, until here, this video is until here. So thank you for watching, and the next topic that we have, we will talk about, I think we will talk regarding ID, class, and what else, or no, forms. We will talk about forms and also links. So ID and class will be later. Okay, so until here, I would like to say bye bye. Before anything else, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you will be updated for my video. And until here, so finally I will say bye bye. Thank you.